Hadin ke Jingshah syok permensau ki Ngut ki barjela hakikat to kat Ngut ki runar ki bomla ban itu dur kemat satya haki tain lum dingjeri hikin hun rushimet hapo ke Jingyalam jong USK Chaunduri bat ka kurim jong kakal pana Chaunduri menta kasngi ublei ki elet ban syong kelain mengor hakmat ka kerdop barim jong ka assembly ban penpau ye ke Jing snukya bat ke Jing snusi halor ke Jingshah syok jong kine ki Ngut hakane ke Jing syong kelain mengor ke jongki lawan ban seralang da kiri urang ba kiri Khyndai ki samla na ki we kisnong ki ba marjan ki ba na ki dong bat ki thain kanong ba shilong harakat ke jingwan seralang ka kong aganes kharching par ka kong Angela rengat USK Chaunduri ulayathu baka jingwan ke jong ban syong klain mungor bat ban sya thangan hakane ke jaka kalong bana kalyang ke jong usngu sujur yaki khanram bat ki jingjia snam hapre ki khasi bat ki bomde ki khasi.
Nobody talks. Why? We are not human beings. We are also human beings. You are also human beings. When the tribal people goes outside, does anybody ask that why you have come here? Nobody asks like that. It is not the humanity that I should ask. When I have a house at Calcutta. When I get a Khasi friend, I take him to my house and offer a cup of tea that we are from the same place. This should be the humanity. So for this reason, in last 50 years, nobody sat like this and make any protest. And myself and my wife, she is a kidney transplant patient. In 2010, she has undergone kidney transplant. And I told her that you don't come. She said that no, I'll not leave you alone. I'll be with you. So she is Kalpana Chaudhary. She is also giving companion to me.
So for how long will you?
And I'm doing business here. Very unfortunate that my business license is not being renewed last 4 years. I have applied, but it is not renewed. Why? I am a bona fide permanent citizen of Meghalaya. Why this discrepancy is there? And anytime, wherever a innocent person is going on, he or she is beaten up brutally, and nobody object. No one object. If someone is burned alive, nobody say anything, and there is no justice. Nobody is getting arrested. If someone is arrested, next day he get the bail and committing the same crime outside again. So why these things should happen? In last 50 years of Meghalaya has completed 50 years. Golden Jubilee celebration was held on 21st January 2022. Previous day, is it a celebration? Shall I term it as a celebration to hit 8 people brutally and sent to civil hospital? Is it a celebration? Pre-celebration? So these are the reason in last 50 years so many crimes are happening, are taking place, but even any citizen, any responsible citizen, they do not object on anything. That why he was killed, why his shop is broken, why shop is looted. Same thing. You see, you read all these placards.
Yeah.
You tell me in 1979, you were born that time?
No.
You ask your father, you ask your parents that what had happened in 1979. Your tear will come out. That so many people were killed, fast till death. But government has not given this permission. But they've given permission from fasting from 10 to 4. 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. I mean for 6 hours. So till from the morning we are on fasting, and we'll continue. In fact, I told Honorable Deputy Commissioner that I'll not get up. I'll continue my fasting. But ultimately, I thought that no, I should not defy the government order. We should not do illegal thing. But again, in future, will any incident take place, then and there we'll ask for permission and sit for protest. Should be nabbed and he should be punished. That is the humanity. We are human beings. We are to live with each other. I want that wherever there is it's a big gap between tribal and non-tribal. I want that should be bridged. Why you treat me as your enemy? Why? You are also human being. Your blood is red and my blood is red. I am born here. I am studied here. I have my own house here. Then why this feeling should be there? So I want to change that thing.
Ya syok ya dat kerjanya apa ni asyun iwei. Ngimla ban pediang hak imlang salang ke ba. Kuat banyak mat. Lada kerjanya syok ni dat kedai ni nuru. Mo. But ni kuat ba kandam kata kerjanya song suk song san namal ba. Ni kung ka imlang salang ni numla ti banyak mat lada kandam kata kerjanya song suk song san mo. But ni dia ben kenal mo. Bahawa itu, ni kita kibarit pat, ni kita ki indigenous people, ni don kahak banyada ya ladi ya ka jaka ka pusa ka klau ki tetap ki wa ki ndai kita ngi haban don bagian, but ki don bagian, but ngimdai su ban suwat daw ban ong ni kajing bamya jungi sakmat kadai nakadaw jong ki wei ki ki bamlong ki mangi. Kani ka pon perkat ndai Nimdai ban ai pateng saki wan nama kapensong sier yaki weiru bat kalong kumba penslur pemban ban ya isi itu iwe ni hapan perkat suami kong perkat lang breu man breu hapan ni perkat kata katinya da ya kita kirit pat Khyndai habangi ong ki hok kirit pat kabamut bangin yo ek ki hok balik syole tak iwe breu ti sakaweiru jadi ban kenal ba kumangi ki Kristen ki Muslim ba ki wei ki ripa ki wei jaka jaka di India ru ki song ir kadang kata targeted violence ki minorities ki hamne ru ki don ki minorities jadi ni hapan don kata ka Jingshah tang ba ka jingsong su kum nu ban yada ki hok ki dong ki klam da kene no ki hok ban blajom ban ni la ban poi sa kata Abadon tum kini ki Jingshah syok sadat ubri ubaya halenti hasin kienya ma akan pediang dalai ru bat ka sarkar bat ka kibor kulit kini ban kloy ban kem ni kum kini kibri nama kini kibri ki basim kabu ban penia shrut ban penia syun ban penkulma hasnong kau bat kini ban wood kem ni kibri bat ai ka jing saja hanang ba ka message kan ya ba mangi kum ka emlang salang ka sor shalong bat ka Meghalaya hingim pediang ka kum kini jat kam bat ka sarkaru tinginong mikmat kidi ban ploy ke ban condemn ban kran pasa ikini ki namal makiru bon sin si pendon kam bakla ya kum kini jinya penya praya set namal ba kakapor election ki pendon kam ya kum kini communal issues ban ngimde ban sya wat yakini kinong mikmat bakin pendon kam ni kini ki mangi kum kinong song snong ni de ban ya wat ek ta ka platform ban ya wan lam ek ta ka security ba kita ka Jingshah.
Kung buong ibang Angelo ni Shalong yakini balay na marba nginum haka imlang sa alang nginum siya yakani jang kambon. Yanoy nginum siya but tam haka ri jungi lelay bangi ong ga tipriyo tiblay. De kani korkomle ublay unum siya tingin hap. Daka bating ngimday ban siya. Lano bagi dapat di kulit di depan kamu buat itu kinam kambon.